Hey everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create a meeting in Google Meet. So this is actually very simple and easy. So first, simply open your browser and go to the Google Meet website. From here, simply make sure you're signed in with your Google account. Next, you can then click New Meeting and choose Create a New Meeting for later if you want to schedule it, or you can also start an instant meeting to join right away. Now, if you're scheduling, Google Meet will generate a meeting link that you can copy and share with participants. You can also add the meeting to Google Calendar directly for easy reminders and notifications. So once the link is shared or the meeting is started, participants can join by clicking the link, and you then have full control over the session with options like mute, screen share and chat. And that's it. So your Google Meeting will then be ready to go on your PC or laptop. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.